Sequential motion control, signal elimination. In some sequential operations where the function of one cylinder is enclosed within the function of another cylinder, the signals remain active and lead to conflicting signals. These are termed trapped signals and maintained signals, due to which the circuit does not work as desired. A maintained signal is a pilot signal which has completed its function and remains effective so that it blocks the effect of other signals. A trapped signal is a pilot signal applied to a wall with an opposing pilot signal remaining still effective. As shown in figure, an ineffective cylinder sequencing circuit. The circuit does not function due to the presence of trapped and maintained signals. Two situations can be noticed from the circuit. When the start signal is passed to wall A0 actuated by the cylinder A at rest, it sends a pilot signal to direction control valve 1 to extend cylinder A. However, cylinder A cannot extend since valve B0 is actuated by the cylinder B at rest. This results in an opposing pilot signal to be applied to direction control valve 1. Hence, no actuation takes place. Thus, due to the maintained signal of B0, the A0 signal gets trapped, resulting in no action, in nil action. Similarly, when cylinder B tries to retract B1, it applies a pilot signal to direction control valve 2. However, since the cylinder A remaining at its extended position actuates valve A1, which applies an opposing signal to direction control valve 2, thus nullifying the signal, hence no actuation results. The first diagram indicating the hydraulic circuit having two cylinders A and B with two signals, trapped signal and maintained signal, and the second diagram indicating the motion control diagram for both the cylinders A and B.